Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our HP 23.8-inch all-in-one touchscreen PC case. It's designed to hold your HP 23.8-inch touchscreen monitor as well as cords and accessories. This heavy-duty waterproof case is perfect for transporting and protecting your display and accessories, including airline travel. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. A tool such as needle nose pliers may be useful. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. No cutting on your end is required. This large rectangular cutout will store the monitor snugly and has a hand cutout on top to assist with removing it from the foam. Below the monitor storage area, we've maximized the case depth to fit all of your accessories. You'll find several pre-cut pockets to store common accessories used with the display, such as the power adapter and the HP 310 white wired keyboard and mouse combo. Again, we've included finger holes to help you more easily remove these items from the foam. We've also included an accessory pocket for cords, cables, or miscellaneous accessories. If you don't have those accessories, the plugs can be left in place and you won't even be able to tell that they're there. Alternatively, those pockets can be used for accessories of a similar size. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a soft, convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. Cutouts in the lid foam reveal reliefs for the touchscreen base. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.